So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a trivia quiz. And this is the kind of quiz where you ask people questions and then give them a score at the end. These quizzes are great as content pieces for your webpage. You can use them as pre-sales material as a way of getting someone to assess their knowledge before they buy your course, or you can just use them as lead gen. So here's what we're going to do. I've got my quiz here, and this one is very simple. I've only got 2 questions. Normally you'd have more, but you don't want to sit here and watch me set up 10 of them, so I'm just going to do enough so you can see how it's done. So first, we click New Quiz. Next, give it a title. And now we choose Scored because in this quiz I want to give people points. And we're not using a quiz template, so I'll click Create from Scratch. Then pick a theme. And now we'll just work down the list. So next we'll set the lead capture. Now I'm going to switch on the option to skip this step as well so I can show you the outcome page when we're done, but you don't need to do that. So now we'll choose our integration, and just pick whichever ones you want from the list. If you don't have any integrations set up yet, we've got some articles covering how to do that in the knowledge base. Now we can change the header and description text if we want. I'm just going to leave the defaults in there. So that's that bit done. Now we'll set up the outcomes. We want 2 outcomes, one for if you got them all right and one for if you didn't. Again, you can use any bounty you want, but with only 2 questions we're fairly limited, so we'll just add those. So first in the panel here, set the score boundary. Outcome 1 is going to be 0 to 1, so anyone who gets 0 points or 1 point will see this page. And we're going to use these shortcodes in the title. Score will show you how many they got right. Max score will show the total possible. So we'll put you got score out of max score, and that'll show up on the page like you got 1 out of 2. Then we'll add a description in here. Looks like you don't know enough about Italy. Next we'll do the second outcome. This score range is just 2 to 2, so anyone who gets all 2 questions right will see this page. Quizitri won't let you have a larger number for the lower bound than the higher one, so make sure you update the right hand box first. And then we'll add that outcome text in as well. Next, our start page. So first we switch it on, and then add title, description and call to action. Next we'll add our questions. So click the button up here to add as many questions as you want. Then select your first question and add your question to the question text box. Then add your answers by clicking on the Add Answer button below and entering the options. Now select which one is correct. When you select one as correct, Quizitri will automatically mark the others as incorrect. And now we've done that, we'll just do it again for question 2. Now publish the quiz by clicking the Publish button on the left, and then the Publish button again at the top of the screen. You can view it by going to the provided URL.